You may have heard that it's too late to grow on Instagram because it is too saturated. In reality, that is not true. In fact, this is the perfect time to grow your influence on Instagram and go from 0 to 100k followers fast. In this Instagram for Beginners video, you will learn 3 organic Instagram growth hacks for 2020, and will be granted access to the #1 Instagram course that will show you how to start, grow, and monetize your Instagram account just like an influencer. It will also teach you how to build a brand, create a massive following, fast, and the steps of becoming an Instagram influencer. Stay until the end to learn a little more about that, or go to theaffiliateking.net/instatraffic if you can't wait. If you're ready like I am, then grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Here are 3 organic hacks of 2020 that will help you go from 0 to 100k followers fast on Instagram. 1. Schedule your Instagram posts. In contrast to collecting content, editing it, and posting all in the same day, automating the entire posting process allows you more free time, and time to implement other growth strategies for your account. If you want to be successful on Instagram and not burn yourself out, this is the #1 tip to follow. 2. Aim for quality vs quantity. You may have heard the best way to grow on Instagram is to post more frequently. While in theory, that would help you grow faster as there is more content that could potentially get discovered, nevertheless, the more often you have to post, subsequently, the lower the quality may be. Unless you are already a successful Instagram influencer that makes a living posting, then posting 2 to 3 times a day may just be an insane goal to aim for. This is what some people are teaching to do by the way, so in most cases, it is better, and safer, to aim for less higher quality posts, rather than a multitude of lower quality posts. 3. Socialize and comment on other accounts. At the end of the day, Instagram was created as a social media platform. It was designed for you to socialize with others within the platform, in the form of comments and DMs with other users that have similar interests as you. Especially with your followers, so if you receive comments under your posts, reply to them, and don't be afraid to return the favor. Not only will this probably make someone's day, but this also gives you a little boost in Instagram's algorithm. This is just a fraction of a tip of the iceberg when it comes to growth on Instagram. The creator of the account at Daily Dose, and several other huge Instagram accounts has created a beginner-friendly course that will help skyrocket your growth organically on Instagram. He has worked with several celebrities like Gary Vaynerchuk, Tai Lopez, and many more, to help them grow their Instagram accounts and influence to where they are today. This premium course is only available to members of 4%, an elite group of digital marketers and entrepreneurs, but you are in luck, because joining this group will not only get you unlimited access to millions of dollars worth of knowledge and value, but as of now, it is free to join. Join the lively community, learn all the tips and tricks of Instagram with the course titled, Insta Traffic Mastery, and ultimately, become a better person. It's the Affiliate King here, and I hope to see you at the top of the Explore page soon.